everybody, I'm here today with a video on a Fitbit Charge 4. In this video, I will be showing you specifically how to stop an exercise by giving you the easiest instructions for doing so. Let's get right into the video. So if you're doing an exercise and you want to stop it, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So we're going to start off by actually starting an exercise. So I'm going to open this up, we're going to swipe, we're going to tap on exercise, and we're going to start just one of the exercises that I've chosen here. We'll start a run, okay? So I'm going to hit the start button. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you can see, okay? And we're going to start the run. We're just going to give it a moment so it's got to connect. There we go. So we're starting this imaginary run. So, okay, we're running. We're going for a jog. We're going for a jog, running around, running around. Let's say you want to, look at that, look at that, look at that pace. Let's say you want to actually stop it. Okay, so let's say you want to actually stop the exercise. All that you have to do is push the side button once, okay? That pauses it. Push the side button again. And then hit finish right here on the screen. So you tap the screen, finish. Nice work, 22-second run. That's a good run if I do say so myself. So that's it. That's how you stop an exercise, okay? So if you started an exercise and you want to stop it, that's how you do it, okay? Essentially, when you're in the exercise, you push the side button once. It's this sort of like pretend button. You push it once, you'll feel that haptic feedback, that little vibration. You push it once to pause it, a second time to bring up the options, and then it says finish at the top. You tap the finish button on the screen and you can stop the exercise. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.